Everyone has the same 24 hours, however, some make better use of their time than others. This is one of the reasons why we have people who excel at the things they do. Hence, time management plays a crucial role both in personal and professional life. Do you find yourself tearing your hair out because you can't find time to have lunch, or return a call, spend time with your loved ones, or even breathe? If that's where you find yourself, then it's time to change not only your routine but the way you approach your time. Stay tuned to the video to know more on how to manage your time more effectively. Hello and welcome back to yet another video bringing you fun-filled facts and ways to manage your time in the most effective way. Time management is one of the most crucial skills anyone must possess. This skill is also extremely important when a person progresses into a professional setting. Here are some life hacks or suggestions to help you revamp your life and in turn make you look forward to each day. Plan ahead every morning. Every morning when you wake up and make a game plan for the day. Write down the tasks you will accomplish, whether they are work or school related, and work in the time you will spend eating lunch, exercising, hanging out with friends, or doing whatever else you want to do. You can even make a plan for the week, although that can be a little more challenging at first. Make a to-do list and check off every item and see how good it feels to accomplish every task. Show up early. One of the reasons you may not feel like you're in control of your life is because you're always rushing around to move from one task to the next. This will make you feel stressed out and it can lead you to make a bad impression on the people who are waiting for you. Part of the reason you may be running late everywhere else is because you're so overbooked that you haven't given yourself enough time to move from one task to the next. So, make sure you've spaced out your commitments and given adequate time for each. Get organized. Getting organized can help you feel much more in control of how you spend your time. Having a planner, a calendar, working pens, and a notebook where you can make your to-do lists can help you feel less overwhelmed. Having an organized desk, bag or purse or a closet can help you relieve stress because you won't waste time looking for a receipt, phone number or a memo since you'll know exactly where everything is, and in the long run this will save you hours and hours of time. Avoid multitasking. Most of you may think that multitasking is a great way to get your work done faster and to make the most of your time, but the truth is that multitasking will actually make all of your work take longer. Additionally, if you're multitasking, then the quality of your work may go down because you won't be able to be fully immersed in any one task. Schedule your work around your energy peaks. Get good at recognizing when you're most productive. Most people get the work done in the morning after they wake up feeling refreshed. Some people do better in the evenings when they wind down after their long day. Others get a burst of energy after their afternoon coffee. After you figure out when you're most productive, plan to do the hardest, most demanding tasks so that you get the most out of your efforts. Take a break every 90 minutes or so. Exercising for 10 to 15 minutes can be a great way to take a break while giving yourself even more energy to get your work done. Take a 15-minute power nap if you need to. Eat healthy. Make time to have a healthy breakfast, an energizing lunch, and a nutritious dinner if you want to make the most of your day. Don't eat lunch at your desk to be more efficient. Take a break to enjoy the sandwich or salad you eat at lunch. Eat a dinner that is filling enough to keep you from waking up hungry, but that isn't so greasy or heavy that it makes you feel lethargic. Try to monetize your passion. Do you really love photography, writing, interior decorating, blogging, or even cooking? It's a pretty radical step, but see if you can actually make money doing it, if not making a full living out of it. It may seem like a stretch at the beginning, but if you have the talent and are willing to put in more time to pursue your dreams, you may be feeling overwhelmed because you're trying to make time to succeed in a career you don't really care about, as well as make time for pursuing your passion. That's a really great way to change that. Make time for fun. Planning fun into your weekly schedule is a must. You won't feel at all in control of your life and your time if you don't have a moment to rest from all the hard work you've been doing. Do whatever you want during your fun time, as long as it helps you relax and keeps you from feeling completely overwhelmed. Get enough sleep. Make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a day and to go to bed around the same time every night and to wake up around the same time every morning so that your body gets used to your sleep patterns. Work on having a solid winding down routine before bed by turning off all visual stimuli like your phone and computer at least half an hour before bed so that you have an easier time drifting off. Also, check out my video on sleep hygiene to know more on how to go to sleep faster and to enjoy a good sleep routine. Make a list of what pressures exist in your life and work towards eliminating them. Ask for help when you need. It could be financial, work-related, time-related, work-life balance, personal or family time, or anything else. Say no to negativity. You can't always eliminate the people and things in your life that are negative. Limit your exposure or distance yourself from negative or unsupportive people. So what are you waiting for? Take charge, make a plan from today. Thank you for staying tuned. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving updates from the White Coat Doctor.